Imagine young Kenyans in the diaspora returning home to rediscover their roots. This isn't just a visit, it's an immersive journey into the heartbeat of their heritage. They walk through historic sites, guided by local experts who bring Kenya's rich history to life. In hands-on workshops, they craft traditional arts with local artisans, connecting deeply with cultural values. Culinary experiences take them into the kitchen, tasting and creating flavors that define Kenyan identity. Food becomes a bridge to their ancestral homeland, and through festivals and live performances, they experience Kenya's vibrant spirit firsthand, building a lasting connection. In just 2 weeks, these young adults forge a bond with their culture that lasts a lifetime. Birthright Kenya's Heritage Pilgrimage Program, a cultural adventure and experience of a lifetime. Join us, Summer 2025. Apply now.